And welcome to Willand PE. It's week 8, lesson 2. I'm here with Asa.
Hi.
What do you mean hi? What, do you wave? You're not going to wave?
Hi.
Right, okay, now Asa, show everybody what you got here. All right, Asa's got 2 water bottles and I've got 2 dumbbells. So we're going to do some strength work today. We found a corner of sunshine in Willand in February, so we're going to make the most of this. Right. So if you just need 2 water bottles, and big enough to hold into your hands. Those are half a litre, those ones, aren't they? So do you know how much that weighs? 1 kilo total, yes, half a kilo each. Yes, but you just need to make sure that you can hold them in your hand. So don't get 2 big ones because you won't be able to hold them in your hand. And we're going to do some strength work today. So we hold like this, Asa, we'll get straight into it, and you're going to press behind your head like this, okay? So I'll turn sideways so you can see it. You see that's not directly above my head, it's behind my head, like that, okay? Can you do 6 each, yeah, and reach up? Yeah, not horizontally, a bit more up to the sky and behind. That's it, very good, okay? Now, while he's doing that, just do 6 each side, and you can do it at home. We're doing these exercises because we talk about the T-spine and what have you, and you sat at your desks or you've been doing a lot of this. So we're going to do these exercises now to get your arms and shoulders moving, okay? And this helps then when you want to do your throwing and striking and racket sports and moving around. So that's number 1, it's behind the head. Next one, it's almost like I'm going to reach up towards a jar on a shelf. I'm reaching there. Yeah, reaching for a leaf, and that's it. So you slightly, as you can see, that my feet move like that. Good, Asa. Reaching up, and oh, yeah, so you're slightly going to the side there. How many are you doing? 6 on each side.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6. So 6 plus 6 is. Yeah, see, we'll just keep making sure the teachers are happy. Yeah, you're not quite reaching with that left hand. Well, you've got to reach a bit further. Yeah, the left hand. That's it. Very good. Oh, a little bit of balance there. Okay, good. Well done. The next one, and I'm going to just turn my back so you can see, is it's almost like I'm reaching up and behind.
Like punching someone behind.
Yes, Asa, like punching someone behind, although that's not really what we want to do. Good, and if you watch Asa here, I can't get close to show him, but you can see that he's twisting his lower body there like this. He's twisting really well. Well done, Asa. And you can see his spine moving. Good. How many are you doing?
8.
6 on each side. That's it. Well done. Very good. Right, that's good work, Asa. And now we're going to do something called armpit sniffers. So you have the dumbbells. Have the dumbbells down there, okay? Luckily I showered this morning and put deodorant on. Can't say the same for Asa. But good job is you're only sniffing your own armpits. You don't have to sniff anyone else's. That's it. And you see straight away, you watch Asa's feet as he does that. Very good. We're connecting the whole body here. Go on, Asa, 6 each side. So as Asa does that, then you think of like a tennis shot here or a cricket shot like that, or your body rarely works in isolation, so that's what we're trying to work here. Connecting everything. Good job. What was that? And then the last one we're doing is, again, this time instead of reaching up and behind, reach horizontally. That means level, and you don't have to turn your back, Asa. And as you see, I'm just twisting my wrist at the end. Just twisting at the end. So just twist your wrist at the end there. There we go, good. Now I have to give credit to my friend and colleague Joe Prytzula from New Jersey in America, because he showed me this sequence of exercises. So thanks, Joe, for doing that. He's the district director of PE for Elizabeth School District in New Jersey, yes. Just take a step that way, Asa, please. All right. So what we'll do, we'll just do 2 repetitions of each now, 1 each side of the sequence, so everyone can get that at home as well. All right, you ready? So here's the whole sequence. If you face me, and then I'll face the camera so you can see from both sides, right? So it's behind the head, and what you want to do is 6 each side is about right, but if you do 5 or 7, it doesn't really matter too much. With control, so not too heavy, and you can do this 3 or 4 times through if you want. Ready? We're going to do one. We're just going to do once each so you can see. Okay, behind the head and go. Behind the head. That's it. Then out to the side. Good. Then the twist behind. twist behind. Okay, armpit sniffers. I don't think I have. That's the one afterwards, yeah. But thanks, coach. That's it. And then the last one is behind, where you twist behind horizontally. Okay? So then you put your weights down and just shake your hands off. All right, so you don't need much, shake off. That's one sequence. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to do some other exercises where we combine movements. Because again, like we say, you will see if you go on like personal trainer sites or famous people with long curly hair, they might do lots of single joint exercises like this, okay? But your body doesn't really work like that. So you can do it sometimes, but we don't really want to connect the whole body. So we're going to do a squat and a press. So we're going to squat down and then press up. Yeah, yes. So you can't hear the sound effects from Asa. Down and then up. Down and then up. Let me watch what's going on over there. Go on, you do that then. So the weights are close to your body and then pushing up. Really good, Asa. That's it, well done. Just try and keep your heels on the floor as you squat down. Oh, that's it. Squat and up. You out of puff already? Come on then, don't stop. Asa's out of puff. He's quite a fit little boy, but he's out of puff there because you're using your whole body, aren't you? Okay, do that again then. Do a couple more. 2 more, that's it. That's it. Very good. Okay, so, well done. Now we'll do a lunge. So watch me first, Asa, okay? So I'm going to lunge, and then I'm going to press here. Okay, a bit more complicated now. So lunge, up to my shoulders, and press. Okay, try that. I'm going to have to rename you Terry. Terry textbook, because that was perfect. Well done. All right, face me now and do it so people can see. It's right, straight out of a textbook, Ace. It was so perfect. Well done. And back, yep. And then the other leg. Yes, good. And see, Ace has got really good control and balance here. All right, let's do one more each side then. You do one as well, I see, so people can see from the side here. Brilliant. And what's that doing is we're having to control our body, so we're on our balance and our leg straight. Are you still doing? Ace is cheating, you see. Every time he takes a sip, the weight gets lighter. I can't take a sip from these dumbbells. This weight stays constant. Right. Next one we're going to do, okay, is we're going to pull from the floor like this. Whoa. Now, you watch my back, everybody. When we lift from the floor and up to our chest like this. That's better. So Asa, what you did there was bent forward like this in your back, so you must always use your legs when you're picking from the floor. Okay? Now that's much better. And again. Okay, do 5 of those. Good. Very good. And the other tip, Asa, is to keep the weight close to your body. Stop drinking it, it's getting lighter, right? So keep the weight close to your body. All right? So here. Oh, your legs went all straight again. So from here, keeping it there. Because that way, you've only got 1 kilo at the moment. You're doing your own thing again. So we're going to go here and pull up. Brilliant. That's it. That's it. Keep it close to your body. And if your legs are bent and the weight's close to your body, you've got 90% of the things right. The other thing is keeping your chest. Stop drinking, Asa. Because the next thing, we'll have to stop the video so you go to the toilet. All right, so there we go. Let's show everyone that combination. So we've got 3 exercises, okay? We have got squat and press. We'll do 3 of those. Okay, then we've got lunges with a curl and press. Okay, we'll do 2 each side. Curl and press. Curl and press. Go on. Oh, you're racing, okay. And then the last one, this is called a high pull. So from there, from the floor, that's it. Oh, Asa, keep looking up. Asa, you're looking at the floor. So if you keep looking up, look at the camera and give everyone your lovely smile. Okay, and do 3 there, that's it. I'm sure about that. Well done. So there's some exercises with the dumbbells for you, and rather than say again do isolation, we're trying to combine the whole body movements. The other thing is, with your age, it's fine to do these, like Ace's using water bottles. Do more of it, more of them, rather than trying to lift heavy. Okay? Well done, Asa. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay healthy.